Hi, let me show you how to restart your iPhone 16e if the screen is stuck or frozen. So for that, we are gonna quickly press volume up, then quickly press volume down, and then press and hold side button. So let me show you how it works. Volume up, down, and hold side button. From here, just ignore power off menu because your screen is frozen, right? So continue holding this side button till the screen will turn off and you will see Apple logo appears on it, and you can immediately release side button and just wait for the phone to turn back on, and this will fix frozen or stuck phone. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.